to a guided meditation by Lavender. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and nurture your body, mind, and soul. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Now bring your hands together and take a moment for gratitude. Focus on what you have to be grateful for today. I'm grateful for this new day. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for my loved ones. I'm grateful for the sun, our earth, and the air I breathe. I'm grateful for this moment of peace.
Every one of them is giving up and giving in. Tell me, in this house of mine, nothing ever comes without a consequence and cost. Tell me, will the stars align? Will heaven step in? Will it save us from our sin? Will it? 'Cause this house of mine stands strong. That's the price to pay. Leave behind your heart and cast away. Just another product of today. I'm fading to black, I'm fading. Took an oath by the blood in my hand, won't break it. I can taste it. The end is upon us, I swear. Gonna make it.